Hi guys, it's Rena. In this video I'll be showing you my step-by-step morning routine, which is based around the law of attraction and will really help you to get into a positive mindset first thing in the morning so you can manifest all of your dreams and goals. So the first thing I do when I wake up is drink some water to make sure that my body is fully hydrated, and I tend to set the alarm at the same time every day. Even though we are currently stuck at home, it just helps me stay a bit more productive and allows me to get more done during the day. The next thing I do is make my bed and then I get ready to meditate. So lately I've been loving Aaron Doughty's morning meditations. They are guided meditations and they're really easy to follow. I personally love this meditation because it gets me into a calm state and also helps me raise my vibration first thing in the morning so that I'm automatically attracting amazing things into my life as I'm on that frequency first thing in the morning. So I don't go on social media straight away, as it helps me to stay more positive when I focus on myself, as opposed to going on Instagram or Facebook and checking what other people are doing. So the next thing I do is write everything that I'm grateful for. So I just make a list of a few things that I am really grateful for in my life, as being in a state of gratitude will really help you to manifest more amazing things into your life. And miraculous ways every day. Another thing I love doing in the morning is listening to affirmations. Now I've pre-recorded some of these affirmations and I usually just listen to them as I'm getting ready in the morning. If you guys are interested, I'll make another video showing you exactly how I make these affirmations and how they've helped me. The next thing I like to do in the morning is yoga. Honestly, I love yoga. It has so many health benefits and it really helps me to stretch out my body first thing in the morning. It also helps to release positive endorphins, which are happy hormones, and it just really makes me feel productive and positive. So after yoga, I like to make a fruit smoothie. I usually use frozen fruits, and if I've worked out after yoga, I tend to add a bit of protein powder to some yogurt, and of course oat milk. I love having these smoothies first thing in the morning. It really helps to energize me and they are just so yummy and healthy. So once I've made my smoothie, I usually go into my living room, and this is the time that I usually use to go on my phone and check my Instagram, and you can follow me on @RenaMUA. This is pretty much my morning routine for the law of attraction. If that video was helpful for you guys, then please give it a like, subscribe, and also let me know in the comments anything that you do during your morning routine that really helps you to manifest your dreams and goals. Okay guys, until next time, bye!